Hello everyone, this is Aamir, and in this video we are going to learn about explain in PySpark. The explain function in PySpark is used to understand how Spark plans to execute a query. It shows you both, so you're going to take a look on the logical plan, what you want to do, and then you will be taking a look on the physical plan, how Spark will do it. It is useful for debugging and performance tuning. So think about a scenario where you have written a long query and that's not performing well, and you would like to take a look on the execution plan. That's explain can help you to find that execution plan, how Spark is creating the logical plan and physical plan. In that case, some of the scenarios maybe you will like to apply some hint. Those will help your query to run faster. Now here is the more detail about the plans. So logical plan, this is what you want to do. So Spark builds this plan for your code. Think filtering, selecting, grouping, etc. So it go through parse logical plan. Spark reads your code, then it analyzes logical plan. Spark checks the column name, data types of those columns, optimize logical plan. Spark rewrites your code if it is needed, and then finally better performance, add null checks, simplifies the expression, and etc. So in this all the process, once you write your query, give to it, it's going to go through all these four phases, and the Spark is going to make it better and faster ways to get you the data with the same query what you have written. Maybe it will add some more logics to it. Now no actual execution happened yet. It's like planning your route on Google Maps. So just think, when this is all happening, it's not executing the query and giving you the results. It's giving you different routes. Let's say if you are looking at the Google, you have put the destination and now there are 3 or 4 or 5 routes, and you're taking a look on all those details, which one is better. Okay, in the physical plan, this is how Spark will do it. So that's what the physical plan is. Spark takes the optimized logical plan and decides what operations to use, such as scan, project, sort, join, and whether to use in-memory, disk, or shuffle data, which executors will handle what. And Spark may generate multiple physical plans and choose the most efficient one using its catalyst optimizer. So now we are well familiar with the logical plan and physical plan. We are going to take a look in the demo. Here is my data. I have a name, department, and salary for this data, and then we are creating the data frame called DF. So create data frame, then provide the data, provide the list of the columns, and it's going to create us a DF data frame. df.show will show us the result. Let's take a look on the explain here, and we are going to run explain on a filter operation. So here's my new data frame filter df, and I'm applying filter on the data frame, and by using this one filter df.filter, and here I'm saying df.salary. Salary column should have value more than 7,500. So now df filter is created, and then I am applying the explain here. So I want to see the physical plan, and that's a default plan. We did not put extended, so we are going to show you, I'm going to show you the extended that will give you more detail. So if I will go ahead and execute this, and we will see. So here's our output. You can see name, department, and salary, and from there we are seeing the physical plan, and in the physical plan we are seeing it's doing scanning of this existing RDD that has the name, department, and salary. So this is exactly what we have right here. So this resilient data frame has these columns. Then it is applying filter, and this is not null salary. So we haven't written this one in code. This is added by the Spark optimizer, and here is the salary. That's the condition we have written it. So you can see right there, and it is applied, and then finally we are getting the result. Now if I will show you further down there, here I'm doing saying filtered underscore df explain, and then I pass the parameter extended. So if I did not provide extended, that's why I was just able to take a look on the physical plan. Now I want to take a look on the physical plan as well as on the logical plan. So I have to provide this extended keyword here in the parameters. Now if we ran this one, as we run the whole thing, let's take a look on this explain with the extended parameter, and here is parse logical plan. You see that it's a logical RDD, name, department, salary, and then you have filter, and then salary is greater than 7,500. and then it's because analyze logical plan. Now it is going to understand the data types of those columns, and you see that we have name string, department string, and salary this, also big integer, and then the rest of that is the okay, if salary, let's say if it is as it is a number, so it is casting this one as integer, and logical RDD, same list of the columns. Then you have optimize the logical plan, and here this part is added to it. Before that it was just salary greater than 7,500. Now it is going to take care of that, and that's going to help to remove the null values and null records, you know, and then go only for this one. So it's going to make it work faster for us. So this is optimized logical plan. So you will see some of the new logics will be added, and you will still get the same results what you are expecting, but it will help the Spark engine to add those. Once the Spark will add these, it will make it the results faster. So it is going to call that optimize the logical plan. And then you finally have your physical plan, and that's what you can see right there. We have already taken a look on that one, and here the four other actually three, let me show you. See right there. So in the physical plan we have this, and in the logical plan, if you see, we have a parse logical plan, analyze logical plan, optimize, and then you finally have this physical plan. When you use extend, you're going to get all those different plans, three logical plans, and then finally the physical plan. So I hope you learn something really good out of here, and how to use explain with without extend, that's a default, and it will give you only physical plan. And if you'll use extended, then it will give you the logical plan and physical plan, and that's the way to look into the details of your query and how exactly it is executing, and if you need to provide some hints to make it better. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.